What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike. First off, I just want to wish everybody a Happy New Year's. It's 2020. Secondly, I want to thank all of you for subscribing to my YouTube channel because I'm about to hit 400 subscribers. I know it doesn't sound like much, but for anybody that knows how hard it is to grow on YouTube and doing the editing, etc., it's tough. It's a hard gig. It's not easy. So for me to almost hit 400 subscribers is huge. So thank you to everybody who's liked, shared, commented on the videos, and make sure to leave a message below. Let me know what kind of content you enjoy from me and what you guys want to see from me in the future. But with all that being said, let's get to part 2 of where I'm at with the Ferrari KitCar build. Ew! Yes! Yeah. It runs, boys. Friggin' runs. Progress. Today is a good day. Woo! Well, guys, I am currently bleeding the clutch. I just reinstalled the slave cylinder. Got the piston in. It's all functioning correctly. So as you can see, there's some pretty nasty old fluid trapped in the lines, as well as air bubbles. So I'm bleeding it by myself. It's draining down into a bucket underneath the car. But inside of here, what I'm doing is I got my jack stand and I'm just wedging it onto my seat, pushing it all the way in. So as you can see, I'm using the pump jack handle to hold it in place. Then I'm coming back here, grabbing my 13mm wrench, finding my bleed screw, and just cracking it loose. There you go. You can see all the air bubbles coming out. What I'm doing is repeating this process until my clutch pedal feels good and all the air is out of the lines. So as you're getting the air out of the lines, you're gonna wanna check your level and add fluid as you're pumping the clutch and bleeding the system. All right, guys, now that the car is all warmed up, I'm gonna disconnect the battery and go ahead and drain the oil out of the car. I got some penetrated fluid sitting on that bolt overnight. So let's go ahead, undo that bolt, careful because it's going to be hot, and we'll drain all the old oil out. Been working on cars and building your business too much to have time for a haircut, eh?
Yeah, you fucking know, buddy.
So we got the car running. I fixed the clutch. Let's put the battery in and see if we can get it to move for the first time. It's that time, boys. Hooking up the battery. Hopefully we got enough juice to get it to fire up. Once we fire it up, we're gonna try to plop it into gear and see if we can get it to move for the first time in 5 to 20 years. Who knows how long it's been sitting. Keys.
The moment of truth. Will she fire up? Let's see some smoke come out of these exhausts. Here we go. What?
Straight up, the wheels are just locking.
Yeah.
But it's finally outside. First time it's moved in 5 years. You want to throw on the front end, see what it looks like?
Go for it, man.
So I went ahead, we got the deck lid back on just to kind of visually see how it's going to look. we got our new belt, our new alternator, our bolts are all cleaned up. Let's go ahead and put it into the car. Get the boot cover back on, keep all the water out, dirt, crud. Alright, alternator is done.
Alright, let's check to see what the battery has while running. Nice. Alternator's working. It's charging the battery. 14.65. Belt's looking good. We're running way better.
Got my buddy Aaron over.
What's going on, y'all?
Just wondering where this was. Good old Canadian flannel.
Not in your Timmy hose.
And I don't have to work in my jeans and nice t-shirts anymore. I can wear my freaking cover holes again.
All decked out. Wearing ice.
Yeah, it sounds really good.
Only 60,000 K on this motor.
Oh yeah?
This goes up here. It's got a little set screw. You're just gonna want to tighten that down. Check that out, guys. Woo! Today was a good day. So, first things first, let's go ahead and pull the car out of the storage and start sanding.